friends, today I'm going to show you how to um, repair a broken knife handle. I have a knife which is somehow its handle has been broken. It is having a plastic handle. So now I'm going to repair this uh, plastic handle with a wooden handle. I'm going to show you how I will going to do this type of repair. This is a wooden block, the piece of wooden block which is I uh, found in my home. So I'm gonna use this wooden block to make the handle of my knife. I have made a sketch of the back side or handle side of the knife so that I can make handle of it. I'm going to cut it in two halves and going to paste. This is the first part of the video where I am going to uh, make the handle using wooden block. Today I have made a handle of my broken knife. So I restored using a wood, cut in two halves and then pasted like this. This is the first part of homemade handle using a wood. After finishing it, I will uh, make the second part of the video so that you can see how it looks like after being grinded and polished and fixed. In this video, I am going to show you the finished part of the handle and how I prepared it. I have already shown you in the previous part of three three part of the videos. In this video, I am going to show the process which I have already done in the previous videos. In this, I have shaped the wooden block and matched the profile of the handle back side of the knife and grounded it and make it round using a file, half round file. half round file and prepared the rounded handle or profile, we can say profile of the wood, so that it can be easily folded in hand. Here I used emery paper of 100 number. You can see how the handle is completed now. Here I have also used two rivets. You can see this, the two rivets are here. These rivets are not rivets, they are the knife, sorry, they are the nails. I have used the nails to prepare like a rivet like structure. Now this is very well finished and the handle is completed. So this is completed. Now you can see all these are available in these type of knives are already available in the market in the range of 400 to 500 rupees. But if your knife handle is broken, you can prepare it in your home using your if you are having some skills, you can make it in your home also. uh, um, one more thing, I have already used Erdelite. Erdelite is a liquid paste which is used to fix broken parts. So you can also use one of the most important thing, you should also use wooden cloth to wound the sharp part of the handle so that it cannot harm you while you are grounding it or finishing using emery paper. You should hold when you are holding it, it should not harm you. The front part is very sharp, so it should be covered with a cloth before wounding, before doing any type of work. So please take care of this.